Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Medico. The aim of this channel is to give you the best possible trick and mnemonics. Today's topic is NIS, that is National Immunization Schedule. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve all NEET PG next type of MCQs and write the whole National Immunization Schedule within 4 minutes. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So in NIS, NI stand for NIS and also it stands for 9, which means there are 9 rows and 9 columns in our video. मेरे साथ बनाइए गाइस 9 rows and 9 columns. फर्स्ट रो की हेडिंग है विजिट, वैक्सीन टू बी टेकन, डोज ऑफ द वैक्सीन, route of vaccine, site of vaccine, type of vaccine, sensitivity of vaccine, maximum age up to which it can be given, and possible side effects. Visits will include 0 week, 6 week, 10 week, 14 week, 9 months, 16 to 24 months, 5 year, 10 year and 16 year. Vaccines to be given in 0 weeks are BCG vaccine, oral polio vaccine and hepatitis B vaccine. Trick for 6 week is OP RIP. O stands for OPV, P for Penta, R for Rota, I for IPV, P for PCV. All first dose. Similarly, in 10 week we will give O, P and R, that is OPV, Penta and Rota, all second doses. In 14 week we will give whole OP RIP, OPR third dose and IP second dose. Trick for 9 month is MJVIP, that is Michael Jackson VIP. M stands for MR vaccine, J for JE vaccine, V for vitamin A vaccine, I for IPV and P stands for PCV. MR first dose, JE first dose, vitamin A first dose, IPV third dose and PCV booster dose. There is similar trick for 16 to 24 months, that is MJ vodka, that is Michael Jackson drinks vodka. M for MR second dose, JE second dose, vitamin A second dose, OPV and DPT. OPV and DPT both booster dose. In 5 year we give DPT second booster. In 10 year we give TD, 16 year TD respectively. So guys, first trick is there are 2 intradermal vaccines, that is BCG and IPV, and if there is an intradermal vaccine its dose is 0.1 ml. So BCG is intradermal vaccine and IPV is also intradermal vaccine, and doses of intradermal vaccine are 0.1 ml. Next trick is there are 2 subcutaneous vaccine, MR vaccine and JE vaccine. Next trick is guys, there are total 3 oral vaccines, that is OPV, Rota and vitamin A vaccine. Fourth trick is guys, if the route of the vaccine is intradermal or subcutaneous, its dose is 0.5 ml. All other vaccines are intramuscular vaccines. Dose of every intramuscular and subcutaneous vaccine is 0.5 ml. So here we end with 4 rows, that is visit, vaccine, dose and route. So everyone has a mark on left upper arm, and we all know it is the mark of the BCG vaccine. So site for BCG vaccine is left upper arm. So there was similar another vaccine which was intradermal. So if BCG is on left upper arm, then IPV, which is similarly intradermal, will be on right upper arm. Next trick is doses for oral vaccines. As we know everyone, 2 बूंद जिंदगी के, that is 2 drops for oral polio vaccine, 5 drops for rota vaccine. Vitamin A 1 ml is 1 lakh international unit first dose. Second dose is 2 ml, that is 2 lakh international units. Next trick is guys, अगर कोई वैक्सीन इंट्रामस्कुलर है तो उसका साइड फिक्स है, दैट इज एंटीरियो लैटरल साइड ऑफ लेफ्ट थाई. देयर इज सिंगल एक्सेप्शन, दैट इज पीसीबी वैक्सीन विथ साइट इज एंटीरियो लैटरल साइड ऑफ राइट थाई. हेपेटाइटिस बी वैक्सीन इज IM वैक्सीन, सो लोकेशन इज एंटीरियो लैटरल साइड ऑफ लेफ्ट थाई. OPV oral vaccine. Penta anterior lateral side of left thigh. PCV is an exception, so its site is anterior lateral side of right thigh. Similarly, of all other vaccines, there is a special trick for subcutaneous vaccines. So there are 2 subcutaneous vaccine, MR and JE vaccine. So R in MR and right upper arm. So if MR is given in right upper arm, then JE will be given in left upper arm. MR in right upper arm, JE in left upper arm. For site, there is a special trick for TD vaccine. TD means tetanus and diphtheria. So D here can be resembled with deltoid. Now type and sensitivity of the vaccine. As we all know, there are MR जो हॉस्पिटल टू हॉस्पिटल धूप में घूमते हैं, तो उनका जो जॉब है वो एक लाइव जॉब हो गया, और साथ में वो बाहर धूप में घूम रहे हैं तो उनको हीट भी लगती है. देयरफॉर जितने भी सारे वैक्सीन MR जॉब के अंदर आते हैं वो सारे के सारे लाइव वैक्सीन्स हैं और सारे के सारे हीट सेंसिटिव वैक्सीन्स हैं. MR जॉब वैक्सीन्स इंक्लूड मीजल्स रूबेला, R फॉर रोटा, J फॉर JE, O फॉर OPV and B फॉर BCG. BCG comes under MR job, so it is a live vaccine. OPV also is a live vaccine. Hepatitis B does not comes under MR job, so it is a recombinant vaccine. OPV is a live vaccine. Penta is a mixed vaccine. Rota is a live vaccine as it comes under MR job. IPV is a killed vaccine. And PCV, as the name suggests, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, it is a conjugate vaccine. MR vaccine comes under MR job, so it is a live vaccine. JE vaccine is a live vaccine. Similarly, all other vaccines. So जो सारी वैक्सीन्स लाइव वैक्सीन्स है MR जॉब के अंदर आते हैं, सिमिलरली वही सारी वैक्सीन्स MR जॉब के अंदर आते हैं, इसलिए वो हीट सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे. सो BCG इज़ अ हीट सेंसिटिव वैक्सीन. OPV इज़ अ हीट सेंसिटिव वैक्सीन. Hepatitis B is freeze sensitive vaccine as it does not comes under MR job. Penta is a freeze sensitive vaccine. Rota heat sensitive. IPV, PCV both are freeze sensitive. Similarly, MR is a heat sensitive, JE heat sensitive, IPV, PCV are freeze sensitive, DPT is a freeze sensitive, TD is freeze sensitive. Next row is maximum age up to which a vaccine can be given. We have to remember hepatitis B is a special condition where which we give vaccine within 24 hours of birth. There is a trick for OP-RIP. As we can see, OPV-O is coming many times till 16 to 24 months. So in OP-RIP, we are giving O for 5 years and all rest P2 RIP are given within 1 year. OPV given for 5 years, OPV 5 year, rest all for 1 year. BCG to be given within 1 year. There is a special trick for MJVIP, that is 9-month vaccine. Here MJV we write 5 3 times and add 1 in the center. MR vaccine can be given till 5 year, JE 15 year, vitamin A 5 year. Similarly for 16 to 24 months. DPT second booster can be given till 7 years of age. As we can see, TD vaccine is given till 16 years. So maximum age for TD vaccine is 16 years. Last row is the possible side effects. As we all know, BCG is taken for prevention of complications of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis has main association with lymph nodes. So BCG has a side effect of lymphadenitis. OPV, as we all know, oral polio vaccine causes vaccine-derived paralytic polio. Causes of anaphylaxis in hepatitis B. In penta vaccine, there is DPT. P stands for pertussis. So there is chances of pertussis in penta vaccine or DPT vaccine. IPV is a killed vaccine, so there are no possible side effects. So when we consume the oral dose of rota vaccine, our intestine at 6 weeks are not developed. So there is high chance of disease called as intussusception. IPV is a killed vaccine, so there are no possible side effects. MR vaccine stands for measles rubella, so there are measles like side effects. JE vitamin A has no side effects. As DPT has a component of pertussis, so the side effect is pertussis. TD vaccine has a special side effect, that is bronchial neuritis. Here we successfully complete the whole national immunization schedule. Just take a screenshot of this. There is an extra point, OVP, that is open vial policy. There are certain vaccines which once opened cannot be stored for more than 6 to 4 hours. We use the same trick, that is MR job. As there are 2 times O, so we didn't take this one O. So the new trick is MRJB. MR vaccine, Rota vaccine, JE vaccine and BCG vaccine. All these vaccine once stored have to be discarded within 6 to 4 hours. Thank you so much guys. If you loved this video, please like, share and subscribe.